There are several game-changing elements the EV world has patiently but attentively kept tabs on in recent years. As one of the most prominent electric vehicles, Tesla has promised several products over the years. One famous prospect promised by Tesla is a $25,000 model. Reports from China say that Tesla has completed the design and manufacture of a $25,000 electric car dubbed the Model 2. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compiled the latest news about billionaire Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. From recent updates, scandals, reviews, plus much more, our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe to the channel, so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they are uploaded. In this video, we will be talking about what you probably don't know about the Tesla Model 2. So clearly, you don't want to miss out on this. And so, without further ado, let's start with today's video. CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, loves to keep fans excited by teasing upcoming features and models. One of Musk's plans is to create more affordable electric cars in a high supply. Ever since Mr. Musk announced his new affordable Tesla Model 2 at the 2020 Battery Day, the internet has been buzzing about it. They are trying to unveil details about the car. This new $25,000 model, dubbed as Model 2 by Tesla watchers, could allow Tesla to take on similar-sized competitors in several EV-friendly markets. A budget-friendly electric car from Tesla that can undercut the Nissan Leaf, that is now the most cost-friendly EV in the States at $28,375, was proclaimed by Musk at the company's Battery Day back in 2020 as he unveiled Tesla's plans to sell 30 million EVs a year by 2026. Musk's comments firmed up rumors that a cheaper electric hatch would materialize after Tesla advertised the design staff for its Shanghai Design Center in early 2020. A Tesla Model 2 at $25,000 was first talked into prominence with the EV community as more of a what-if sort of a car. At that point, Musk had said that the automaker would likely not produce an EV for less than $35,000. That $35,000 mark seemed like a huge selling point with the announcement of the Tesla Model 3. The Model 3 has varied in price and currently starts at MSRP of $41,990 without any federal tax credits or destination fees. Still quite a ways off from $35,000. You may still be able to find a Model 3 at a lower price elsewhere. Regardless, Tesla then changed its mind and announced a cheaper Tesla during the event in 2020. Musk himself teased a $25,000 Tesla to be complete within the next 3 years. Musk also followed up with the news that the new EV would be fully autonomous. Any concept of a potential design from Tesla was planned in China. At the beginning of 2021, it was reported that Tesla was hinting at an R&D center in Shanghai that would be tasked with developing a $25,000 EV vehicle for the market. Moreover, Tesla had already started taking design submissions for the mentioned Chinese manufactured EV. And Tesla released an early design drawing of a small electric hatchback, leading many to speculate that this is the design direction the automakers is considering for the upcoming EV. Since the original Tesla Roadster launch in 2008, Tesla released a 7-seater, a pair of saloons, and a small SUV, with a pickup truck and a Roadster on the way. During the Tesla Battery Day, Elon Musk confirmed that its next car would be a hatchback and the smallest and most economical Tesla yet. It should prove an ample substitution to the Volkswagen ID.3. Why is Tesla doing this? It has all to do with how much electric vehicles cost to build. When the Tesla Roadster came out in 2008, components for electric vehicles were costly. That meant the car maker had to sell its cars at a considerable cost to make a serious business case. However, since then, the price of all car parts have dropped tremendously. So Tesla can start selling cheaper, smaller electric vehicles without generating losses. The new Tesla hatchback will have a new type of battery that's safer and powerful, thanks to its design that it uses a new kind of connector to join the individual cells together. They're about 35% smaller than the traditional batteries and can store and release more electrical energy with less risk of overheating. Musk has stated that its new cars will have about 16% more range thanks to these new cells. Even if this new Tesla battery pack is half the capacity of the one in the Model 3 standard range, its new tabless idea means it should manage at least 160 miles on a charge. That means this new Tesla will cost much lesser than a Fiat and could have almost 30% more capacity. Tesla also plans to use the new Tesla batteries as a structural part of the car's construction. This can help make the car lighter and more robust because the batteries are doing some work to support the car's underpinnings, not the other way around. The friendly price tag is possible because the tiny Tesla would use the company's next-generation battery cells and use a streamlined battery process. This can lower costs by as much as half. There's also a rumor that Tesla already has a sample of the compact EV in Shanghai. Tesla currently builds the Model 3 at its Gigafactory 3 in China too. Elon Musk announced his plans to produce and design a vehicle in China during the factory's opening ceremony and sell it globally. Tesla even accepted design ideas from anyone who wanted to submit them, whether in the auto industry or just an everyday person. Tesla stated that its new cars built with this new battery connection will have more range per kilowatt hour of battery. So if the Model 2 battery pack is half the capacity of the one in the Model 3 standard range, that means it should manage at least 200 miles on a charge. Tesla also plans to use their new batteries as a structural part of the Model 2, as well as this is going to help them make the vehicle 10% stronger and lighter because the batteries are doing some of the work to support the car's underpinnings. Aside from the exterior of the new $25,000 Tesla model, many people see a bit more about its potential interior features. Tesla's official sketch pictured is more of a coupe, which certainly looks attractive from a design standpoint, but may not precisely maximize interior space. This is why the Nissan Leaf and Chevy Bolt are designed as large hatchbacks or small station wagons. As much as Tesla had been pushing the Cybertruck and the Roadster, its genuine volume seller would be its sub-Model 3 offering for China in the first half of this decade, whether it takes the Model 2 name or not. Furthermore, the Model 2 will also have a good performance. When a car is lighter, it can accelerate quicker because its engine or motors have less weight on them, and the Model 2 hatchback will probably have only one electric motor to keep its cost significantly low. The Model 3 Standard Plus only has one electric motor, but it'll do 60 miles an hour in 5.3 seconds. So, it's possible that the new hatchback with its new lighter chassis and high-tech batteries could be quicker than that. So what is the release timeline for Tesla's newest $25,000 Tesla Model 2? Well, according to the Battery Day conference, Musk said that Tesla was targeting to begin producing its $25,000 model sometime in 2023. The latest news reports from the Tesla's R&D center in Shanghai has already completed the Tesla Model 2 sample, and trial production overseas would begin by the end of the year. Both rumors could be true because Tesla does have a prototype, and series production will begin 2 years from now. However, trial production beginning before year's end seems much more unlikely at this point, based on Musk's 2023 production target alone. Trial production in 2021 would more closely correlate with series production next year, not 2023. Additionally, Tesla will rely heavily on its evolving battery technology to indeed hit the $25,000 price point, and it's simply not there yet. Well guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. What are your thoughts on the Tesla Model 2? Is it going to change the game for Tesla? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to keep up to date with the most exciting Tesla and SpaceX content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.